Good morning to all. Myself A. Vinolia, working as a lecturer at Karaikal Polytechnic College. Today I am going to discuss about the concept of ADO.NET objects. First of all, .NET is a platform where you can utilize so many languages, and here ADO stands for Active Data Object. So this ADO is specially designed to connect the front end with the back end. The front end means any of your front end languages such as your VB.NET or anything, and the back end you can use Oracle or Access or such a databases. So in this ADO.NET we are having around 4 main objects to be used for the connectivity, and first object is connection. Connection object, as the name indicates itself, this is used to connect the front end with the back end. The connection object has the major property called as the connection string, where the important information such as user ID and password, everything should be given there, and using the connection string only the connection can be established. To open the connection we are having a method called as open, and after completing all the tasks we are having dispose or close method to close the connection. Next comes the execution of the query. For this we are having command objects. The command object has a property known as connection, where the connection object should be linked with the command object. Then only the command object will be able to understand what is the database and what is the table to be executed. So in the command object you can execute any of the queries. The queries can be divided into two types. The one thing is queries which can produce results for you, and the another queries which can make some changes in your table. So to execute the query which gives you result, then you can use the method execute reader, whereas the queries such as insert, update and delete can be used with the function execute non-query. So using these two methods of command object we can execute any of the queries in the database. Then comes the data reader and data adapter objects. Whenever we are executing a select query, the query returns some result to us. In that cases we should store the result in some object. So for that only we are having data reader and data adapter objects. The data reader is an object which can be used in disconnected mode, and the data adapter is an object which can be used in connected mode, where in the connected mode the data is stored in a temporary data set. So with this I just conclude my talk. Here we have discussed about ADO.NET objects with a brief introduction about 4 different objects, that is connection, command, data reader and data adapter. Thank you one and all. Thank you, sir.